Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use this DSLR 1500d camera. First of all, connect the lens with the camera. You can see red dot on the lens and the camera body. So just align the dot and turn the lens clockwise and you will hear a lock sound. That means camera is locked. Now you have to insert battery and SD card in the camera and you are ready to use this camera. You can start this camera from the button given here. You just turn it on. After this camera is turned on, make sure this knob is pointed to A+, which is automatic mode. Then you can press this red dot and you can see the live view screen over here. To capture any photo, just hold this capture button and the camera will do the autofocus automatically, and if it turns green, just press it completely. And here you have taken your first picture. You can check your photos in gallery mode. Just click this button and the gallery mode will be open. You can check your taken photos over here. While taking photos, make sure that this button is turned to AF, which is automatic focus, and this MF means manual focus. If you know how to use the manual focus, you can turn this to MF. If you want to take video with the camera, you can switch this knob to this video icon and then you have to press this red dot button. Press it once and your recording will be started. Press it again to stop the recording, and again you can check the recording going to the gallery mode pressing this button. So that is all about how to use 1500D camera.